Hi, welcome back to Affiliate Tuffle. If you're applying for foreign accounts, you'll notice that many platforms require additional verification documents. They'll require documents like maybe passport, something like this, okay? They might also require you to provide DLs, both front and back, so something like this, okay? And they might also require you to provide the proof of address. So for that, you might use your mobile bill, so something like this one, or they might require you to provide a bank statement, okay? So something like this, okay? Now, if you need help getting these type of documents, you can email us at affiliateoffer@gmail.com. The email is in the description of this video. Or if you need any assistance with the editing of these documents, can let us know and we'll see how we can support you to get them, okay? Now, a quick disclaimer, guys. This video is for educational purposes only, so always make sure you follow the legal and verification requirements of the platforms you are applying to, okay? Now, some account may also require you to do selfie verification or video verification, okay, for your account. Now, the most effective way to handle this is to ensure that your image matches the image in the verification documents, okay? For example, if you want to use your DL for selfie verification, make sure you can edit that document and have your image on that DL before you print it on a plastic. Then you go ahead and use it for your selfie or video verification process, okay? Now, before you print your DL on the plastic, make sure the document is of high quality and it's on the printing format. Now, from us, we'll provide you a document that look like this for your printing purposes, okay? It should be of high quality, clean, and it's on the printing format. All the edges are included for your printing purposes, okay? Now, when you get this document, the best thing you can do is to visit at the nearest cyber cafe or printing business, then provide them with this and tell them you need it on a plastic, and they'll do it for you for a small fee, okay? Now, in case you have a printer, here is a step-by-step guide on how you can go ahead and do your printing and start your verification process.
First, you need to download the ID card software made for this printer from Google. It's the first step to getting your cards printed perfectly. After searching for Epson L8050 driver on Google, open the first website. Then, select your operating system to download the correct driver. It's very simple. For example, my computer runs on Windows 10, 64-bit. You'll see the printer's driver and mobile app on the site. Now, let's download the third option, which is the creativity software for the ID card program. It's very easy. In the second step, we need to install the downloaded file on our computer. The installation process is very simple and doesn't require much explanation. Just click Next and complete the steps. After installing the Epson Photo Plus software, an icon will appear on your desktop. Just double-click it to run the program and open it. One key point to remember is that if your computer's operating system is Windows 10 or 11, you don't need to install the framework program. However, for other versions of Windows, you need to download and install the framework for the program to run. The link to the framework is available in the description. In the third step, once the program opens, you'll see it has many features besides ID card printing, like printing on CDs and more. For now, let's click on the ID card option. Now, we'll select the ID card settings based on its design. Our ID card is designed in landscape format, so we choose the landscape option. The double-sided option means that 2 ID cards will be printed at the same time. Now, we'll import both of our designs. You can add the images by clicking on the Add Image icon, which looks like a person at the top. After clicking OK, you'll import your ID card designs. Note that in this software, you can't design ID cards like in Photoshop. You can only place the ID card image and print it. It also has options for color and transparency settings. See how easily we can import our ID cards and adjust them using the tools in this software. Once your ID cards are set within the standard frame, configure the settings by selecting your printer and adjusting any other options available. However, you don't need to change the default settings. Just click the Start Printing button at the bottom. In the final step, which is the most important part of this process, after clicking Start Printing, wait until the printer's paper light turns red. Now, remove the card tray from where it rests and wipe it with a clean, soft cloth to remove any dust. Also, clean the ID cards. This will help extend the lifespan of your printer. Now, insert the card tray into the upper part of the printer up to the marked section, making sure the arrow points toward the white line. After placing the tray, press the Cancel button once, and the printing process will start correctly. Make sure to insert the tray first and then press the Cancel button. If you press Cancel before inserting the tray, the printing won't work. You can see that the ID cards are printed professionally and with high quality.
To print the back side of your DL, simply flip the card inside the printing tray, insert it back in, and proceed to print the back side. Once you're done, you should have a clean double-sided ID. Okay? I hope you learned something useful today. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Okay? And if you know any other effective methods for selfie verifications, feel free to share your tips in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay blessed.